What is going on, everyone? It is your boy the FBI here, bringing you a video tutorial on how to use the Ichimoku Cloud indicator. Now you may be asking, what is the Ichimoku Cloud? Well, the Ichimoku Cloud is a collection of technical indicators that show support and resistance levels, as well as momentum and trend direction. And it does this by taking multiple averages. So you see here, this one, this one, this one, here, and here. It takes all those averages, plots them on the chart here that we see, and it uses these to form what's known as a cloud. So you see here how you have the red cloud and the green cloud. These are known as the clouds. That's why Ichimoku Cloud. And what these do is they attempt to tell you, okay, this is an area where a potential resistance zone could be, or this is an area where potential support zones could be. Sorry about that. So how can we use that to our advantage? Well, just look at this. We can see here that this red right here indicates a possible resistance. So we could say that as soon as it breaks the resistance points here, it's going to go into an uptrend, which sure enough happens with ticker symbol Roku on the 5-minute chart. We break above the red cloud here, and then we begin to moon and shoot up all the way up to a high of, let's see here, 112 from, where were we at? From 105.48, 105.50 we'll say. So we got to move from 105.50 all the way up to 112 just based on the Ichimoku Cloud indicator itself. Now, we can keep on looking through this and figure out, well, how do we know when it's a good time for puts? Well, just reverse that thought process around. So instead of waiting for a break above a red cloud, you wait for the break above or below a green cloud. So let's try and find a better example that I can show you. Because, I mean, you can see it here. You can see how we go into the green cloud, the support cloud. You can see how the support cloud is used here too, where we bounce off the bottom of the support cloud, but we were still able to maintain it for a while. We almost pushed back out of the support cloud for another run up, but we couldn't, so we pushed back down. And you can see here that on this break below the green cloud, this is a 109 to 107 to 107.60. A 109 and 107.60 move right there. That could have been caught just using the cloud itself. So let's keep looking. We can find some more if we just try some different stocks. Let's go to Nvidia. Perfect. Here's another beautiful breakout run right here. Look at this. We see a break. So we can look at here in different ways. Okay? So this is a perfect example of why due diligence and charting is necessary for using indicators, because you can get a possible fake out like here. I mean, it's not necessarily a total fake out, but it's not a super big move like compared to here. But anyways, we were going in, we can see that it breaks here. I mean, this is still a very nice move. So we got a break from the red Ichimoku Cloud, so let's say 312 all the way up to a run of 315. All the way up to 315, we had that nice break up. And then of course we came back down. We couldn't catch support in the green cloud, so we broke it. So we got the break from 3, what is this? We'll say 310.80 all the way to 309.60. And then what happens? We break above the clouds again, and then this is where we begin to moon and shoot up. And you can see here how we hold the support cloud very nicely to the dot almost. Like right there and there, but to the dot basically. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial video on how to use the Ichimoku Cloud. And if you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a very good day.